TikTok Web. Hey there everyone! TikTok is primarily a mobile app, and its features are intended for users on the go. But if you're also a marketer, you'll be glad to know that there's a lot you can learn about using the app right on its official website. In this lesson, we'll be taking a look at the TikTok website. With this, we aim to provide you with a detailed overview of all the information you can find there, for general use as well as for your business. You can go to the TikTok website by visiting tiktok.com on your browser of choice. The homepage will show you a visual teaser of the type of content and posts that users upload to the platform. This can help you to get great ideas to create your next big marketing posts. Let's take a look at the links in the header bar. As you'd suppose, the home link takes you to the homepage. So let's start by clicking on the About link. This will take you to the About page, where you'll find information about the app and the company. Let's now click on the Trending link. This will take you to the Trending page, where you'll find a live feed of the videos and hashtags that are trending on TikTok right at that moment. Here you can watch these videos as well as a number of interactions these videos are getting. Here you'll also find trending hashtags on TikTok. You'll find the hottest hashtags on top, and you can see the number of views each hashtag is generating, live. You can use the information on this page to find the perfect hashtag for your next marketing post or challenge while you are away from the app. Let's now click on the hamburger menu icon. On this menu, you'll find access to 4 sections: Company, Programs, Support, and Legal. Let's take a quick look at each of these sections. The Company section has links to the About page, to the Newsroom, and to the Contact page. Here we recommend you to visit the Newsroom, where you'll find vital information about updates, about upcoming features, and about all the cool stuff happening on the app and the company. Alright, let's now look at the Program section. Here you'll find a link to the TikTok for Good program, which is intended to teach users how to use TikTok to raise awareness and get active about causes and issues around the world, and a link to the Advertise on TikTok program. As a marketer, this is a program you might want to keep an eye on, because this is TikTok's upcoming advertising program that'll be rolling out for users and businesses sometime soon. This advertising program will give you access to TikTok's very engaged, young, active, and very diverse global audience, as well as access to innovative ad products that'll help you reach the right audience for your business and clients. Currently, this is not an open advertising platform, but you can sign up to participate in the program by clicking on the Create an Ad button on this page to create an advertiser account. You'll simply have to select the location of your company, what type of product or entity you will promote, and to submit your contact info. Let's now look at the Support section. Here you'll find links to the Help Center, to the Safety Center, and to the Community Guidelines page. We strongly recommend you to take the time to check the content on these pages. This will help you to get familiar with TikTok's rules. Other content you have to read to further familiarize yourself with TikTok can be accessed from the Legal section. Here you'll find links to the Cookies Policy, Intellectual Property Policy, Law Enforcement, Privacy Policy, and Terms of Service pages. You'll also find useful features on the footer of the site, so let's scroll down. Here you'll find download links from every app store and a sign-up box that you can use to create a TikTok account from the website. All you have to do is to enter your phone number in the field under Text yourself a link to download TikTok, and then to hit send. You'll receive a TikTok download link directly to your smartphone via SMS. And this is it, my friends. Take the time to familiarize with the TikTok website and to stay alert on news, updates, and upcoming features.